What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Blue Star FX. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I did make a post in the middle of the month to say that I'm going to bring some of the unknown people to you guys so that you can see people who is not known for can actually also provide much better results compared to the ones that, or people that we look up to generally, right? So without any further ado, let's get straight to it, right? So we've got Blue Star FX over here. It is all in the name, Blue Star FX, right? Here we got some red screens, signals, blue screens, blue screens, blue screens. Then there's some feedback or some history, signals, history. So this is kind of good, right? So you have results that was posted here for the past 3 days, 25 signals sent. It would be good to kind of see it in percentages as well. 0 losses, and okay, so we're gonna get straight to the signals. You can check out their Instagram. If you do find this information or the content satisfactory to you, you can check out Blue Star FX as well. Now we're gonna speak about these signals, right? Now there's a couple of things that I do not that doesn't sit well with me about the format of the signals. So you guys know I'm all about discussing the format in which the signals are sent, right? Now, if you look at the signal, you can see here there was a buy on gold. Now we're going to go to that buy on January the 15th, right? Now you can see what I did here. I've drew all these red lines over here on the 15th. And this is basically each red line represents a TP there. So the thing, and there's no stop loss as well, and this is very important, this is crucial when trading, is to make sure that you provide a stop loss. Remember to all signal providers, you are sharing signals with people who's potentially sitting at work, who don't have the time to look at their phones. So all people want to do is copy and paste your prices into their MT4 and let the trade run. The problem with TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4 is that on the surface you could say that you had 5 TPs hit, right? Like the post that you made on Instagram, you had a couple of TPs hit over there, right? But that could potentially mean, and that's not the stop loss, I'll just put it there. But this TP1 could potentially be a 0.7%, you see? And then the stop loss could potentially be wiping out 2 TP1s or 2 TP2s and TP3s. I would recommend maybe TP1 and TP2 slightly bigger, because if you're buying gold at $2,051, the TP 2053, it's so quick that you could enter, as soon as you enter the trade, that TP could potentially hit. So sorry about that, guys. So what that means is that you might tell the world that we're hitting TPs left, right, and center. Meanwhile, it is 20 pips, 200 pips, 2 pips, whatever you guys want to call it, right? So please make sure that you do adjust. Maybe just use 2 TPs, bigger prices, always trade back to previous structure. There, I see you put TP3 there. Use these structures that you see in the market. Yeah, but this was also buying in bearish territory because we broke below the structure, so by definition that would have gone down, but you still got away with TP1, right? So here we go, fundamental signals. So there's people, they like to send news signals, which is quite good. I don't agree with news trading. If you are a news fanatic and you like to trade news, this is the people that would kind of give you, they say they've got the edge in the market when it comes to that, right? So here we go. Here we got a chart now that looks very nice, but there was no stop loss, so this actually makes no sense, or it doesn't mean anything, right? Then we got some blue screens, and more blue screens, and as we go through, we close to TP2 lock profits with stop loss above entry, sorry, which was there. I think that around about there you said that they must close it, right? Any case, all signals drowning in deep blues. Okay, closing profit, market is play, right? It's a holiday in USA today, and then okay, cool. So we're gonna update there. We're continuing to see these gold trades, and here we've got a trade, right? And if I go back to this trade there, okay, take a look at our analysis speculations for GCHF. Entry will be triggered and signal will be sent or put a buy limit, right? Now that is not a clear indication of a signal, which is why I do not look at things like that. But I will cover these setups as well, just to give you guys an indication of how well these guys are able to read the market. Now, here we got a fundamental signal that you can see over there. Get ready, US30 or NAS. If you go further down, we close to TP2. That's still the gold signal. Here we go. Aggressive scalpers sell US30. No, don't take the trade if it's less than 300. And then all signals drowning in blue and basic. I would assume that's how they trade the news events. This trade is the setup that I showed you guys right now. Again, it's not a signal. I would really appreciate it if that was sent as an actual signal. Remember, again, like I say, people don't have the time to look at the charts and go, should I get in here? It's very easy for you. Maybe most of you trade full-time. You like to sit at home. People like me, I don't trade full-time. I have other stuff that I do throughout the day that's work-related, right? But I have other stuff that I do as well. So if I see you send a signal, I don't still want to go, no. I just want to copy and paste the price, the stop loss, and the TP. Here we got to trade on the buy, NAS 100, US 30, and German 30. This also a fundamental trade. Here you can see that German 30 was a good trade. That means the NASDAQ and German 30 was not a good trade. It means that things did not go exactly as anticipated, right? Which is what we do not, which is why I say that I do not agree with trading fundamental data, right? Here we got to buy on GU. Let's go there quickly. Okay, we got buy GU 16th of January at 842. Let's go. This one here, right? So here we got to buy on January the 16th, if I'm correct, 16th at 842. That signal was sent right around there. Market went into some profit and then a dump heavily to the downside, right? Now I'm going to tell you what the problem is. Here you have no stop loss, right? Again, no stop loss is a bad way to trade, really, a very bad way to trade. Now here you can see is the signal 126816, no? 126816, but the price here 126011, it is located here somewhere here there. So I don't know. Another thing is it says here edited, so I'm not sure, you know. So these prices doesn't even make sense compared to the trade, the actual trade that was taken versus the price, because this prices is totally two different prices, right? The next trade we're going to look at is a buy on the Dow Jones, which is right there. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, so here we got a trade on the Dow Jones again. TP close when target is reached. What target? You talking about a personal target or people's own target, right? No stop loss once again. Deep in the blues. So this is probably what they consider to be deep in the blues, because then we had a move to the upside. Sorry, let me just, okay, sorry. So we had some drawdown over there, you can see, and then the market went into nice profit, and then we took another dump to the downside. Again, depending on whether these trades were closed or not, right? 16th of January, there was another buy on gold at 1120. Now, I don't know why these signals are showing edited. Maybe because they probably know I was going to be in the group. Okay, but let's go see, because I always look at the price, both prices, right? So the next one then was sent over here. Here we go. 17th of January, still the 16th. At 1120, let me just see here. 16th of January. Okay, so this trade, let me just make sure, because I think this is the trade with the incorrect pricing, right? because I don't know if this price was okay. No, it wasn't this one. Let me just add this one. How did I forget this one? A buy gold at 1120. Let's see here. There we go. There. So again, TP1 might have potentially, but there's no stop loss. Again, you know, okay. So we had some drawdown, and then we had TP1 that came to hit there, right? But again, like I say, I'm just, I don't know how you guys feel, but I don't sit well with no stop losses, because why? It is not a good way to trade. Other than that, although some of these trades they do get into some profit, right? You know, you'll realize why stop loss is important, because why? You can hit 5 TP1s or 6 TP2s, but if you take a trade with no stop loss and the stop loss hits, then you are at risk to potentially lose all the money that you've invested. Ja, klokka groot man? Yes. Okay, let's go. We got some blue screens. Blue. Here we go. Sell Euro AUD. And that was there at 166,707. This one also didn't make so much sense if it, I just need to make sure that it is correct. Yeah, so here was a sell on Euro AUD. I just want to make sure if this price was right, there you go. So there you can see the entry price was set at 166,707, but this gentleman's price was at 164,990, which is where I have basically put it in, right? Where I basically added it right there. So this is what I gauged from the signal. It was executed, went down, market then went above. So we had that liquidity grab to the downside, and the market started to rally to the upside. This prices that you see over here, we can't use it because none of these prices are even close to the price that we see there. And you can see on the 16th of January, just after 1, at the 16th of January, just after 1. So might have been a mistake. I don't know. Here you can also see the trade was in at 1.64990, which lines up with the price there, but the signal is giving us other vibes. You know the vibes, guys. You know the vibes. Any case, now we got some event kill trades, which is news. Again, there is a lot going on in this group. You can see I've spoken so much already, and we've only done 1 day so far. That is why I can't do the entire month. Otherwise, I'm gonna sit here and we're gonna talk for the entire day, right? Golden circle fundamental signal. There was a sell on the Nasdaq. They were trading. What is this? I don't know what they were trading, but that was a new signal, right? Again, like I said, if you are a news trader, you're more than happy to come and check out these guys. You can see their fundamentals killed. Blue Star FX signals. Golden circle. Okay, that's the fundamental signals that was killed. All signals down in blue. 0.01 10,000 rand. Okay, now I'm not here to judge, but if you just I am entitled to have an opinion, right? But look, I don't make this type of money, right? I don't. I withdraw every month because I have stuff that I need to pay for, right? So I live off that money that I make. I can't make such money. And just because I can't make such money, I don't say they're not making such money. But based on my own personal opinion, this is not a real account. You can argue with me in the comment section. It's okay. We are here to, we are entitled to share our opinions, right? Now, show me a 600K live funded account with a $6,000 running balance. Then by all means, then we can talk about that because that's about 10%, right? This is on another level gains. So that is why I say this is on another level. Hopefully we'll get the withdrawal receipt on this, right? Then we can see. So another day for high impact news, but we're not here to judge the people whether it's real or lie or fake. We're just here to see how good they are at trading, right? January the 17th, there was a trade on gold that was sent at just around 10, okay? And January the 17th, I think it was this one. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, the trade was executed in nice profits. Then we had a little bit of drawdown. Then we had a dump to the downside. And if you take TP3 basically, which I think that was TP3. Yeah, that was TP3, which TP3 did actually hit TP1, hit TP2, hit TP3, hit. But think of it in this way. If that trade U-turned to the upside, right? Although we are bearish, as you can see, we are bearish. But if that trade decided to just move maybe higher till there, your account would have been blown to the ground. That is why I say use a stop loss, please. Just use a stop loss. Okay, there we go. Preparing for fundamental. Like I said, these guys love to trade fundamental news. TP2 hit on gold, which I said TP3 hit on gold as well. Now, again, with no stop loss, it's very difficult to determine what the risk to reward was. It could be a 1-to-1 overall, could be a 0.50, 2.5, 0.50. I don't know. We'll never know. But there was a beautiful executed trade there for that move to the downside. But again, you guys have to be, we are all optimistic when it comes to trading, but you have to be realistic when it comes to trading as well. And I believe people will always tell you losing is part of the game. I understand that, but you don't go out, you don't get paid and then spend all your money, without knowing where it's going. You don't spend. There's a quote that goes that you need to risk enough so that you can live to trade another day. That some people blow their account in one day. I'm scalping with you, 270 now. I have 1780. Okay. Now we wait for confirmed entry. Eyes on the market now. Again, sell the down zones, and that's where we're gonna go and have a look at. As you guys can see, we're at the 17th, right? Not so it's because I talk too much, but I like to give you guys some deep diving analysis. 17th at 1443. No, this is gold. Uh, 17th. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Is it this one? 1443. There we go. Okay, this is a trade over here. Beautifully executed. Move to the downside, and then this move went up again. Again, it is. I've said this before, and I'll say it again, and I'll keep saying it. I'll saying it. It is very difficult for me to determine what exactly happened to these trades unless you can give me a TP, something, and a stop loss. We need to be able to measure it somehow, because according to the Instagram it says that they've had all these winnings. Do you consider this as a win based off what? Is this a loss or a win? Give me energy. Trading US retail sales. We are golden circle. Sell US 30 was sitting drowning deep in blues. Okay, cool. So again, I probably missed it. Yeah, this was the fundamental signal. Again, there's no indication there. Maybe there is. Oh, there's it. Let's continue very quickly here, guys, because we still have a few to go. Golden circle, fundamental signal. There you can see there was a trade taken there. Rocket X. Some of us took NAS 100. It blew our account. I'm happy for those who took 0.01. Was floating 3,700. Another day, another dollar, and another broker that you choose to go with. Well, that's not my business. Any case, USD JPY on the 17th, just after 10 was a sell that we quickly gonna go and assess very quickly on the 17th. Here we go. Okay, this was a very beautiful trade, if I have to say so myself. There you can see trade went beautifully to the downside. Okay, but again, okay, this was the first trade to have actually gotten a stop loss at 148.588, which was right above that price, right? So update, TP1 hit, TP2 hit. Again, you guys can go and see over here TP1, and this is why I say leave TP1s, because if you look at that, that was TP1 there, 0.32%. TP2, okay, TP2 also not even 1%. You see, at least make TP1 1%, so you can at least break even if you only trade TP1s and the stop loss hit thereafter, right? On the 18th, there was a sell on gold, which we're gonna go and have a look at very quickly. 18th, sell on gold. Let's go. There we go. Again, TP1, TP2 hit also, but again, no stop loss, right? No stop loss, and it's good that trades are going in the direction, right? But it takes one trade to not go into the direction for someone who doesn't understand trading and how it works, right? This was a setup on NZD USD. We can see over there. Take into consideration structure. Signal will be sent when entry is triggered, right? What was this? Okay, that's also set up. Fundamental signals. Again, these guys trade every bit of fundamental signals that you see. Golden circle fundamental signal 1629. Aggressive scalpers. Again, opposite direction. First fundamentals lost, and that could be also have wiped out your entire balance, right? But we'd never know. Okay, NZD USD will grow long. Again, entry triggered. I don't understand this so nicely. Signal will be sent when entry triggered. Entry triggered, but where's the signal? Yako? I don't understand. I don't get it. Right? Sell the Dow Jones on the 19th. Let's go. Where are we now? Where are we now? Is it this one? Oh, I think this was a fundamental signal also. We're deep in the blues. A closing deep profit. Yeah, everything that looks like this is not, it is all fundamental signals, right? Danko, Buffo. Again, here we have that NZD trade. Now, I don't know if anybody, again, it wasn't sent as a signal, right? But this for me is a signal. Well, not in that format, but you know what I mean, right? So let's go over to CAD CHF. This was sent on the 19th, just after 4. Here we go. Beautiful executed. Beautifully executed trade. Let me just move that to that side. You can see there. February the 19th, and the 19th, just after 4. There. Nice move to the upside. That would have been very beautiful, right? Again, if you can manage your risk and you can manage your trades, then these are probably a good place to go to. But hopefully after this video, they will start adding these stop losses. We are drowning in blues. Here we go. News update. They won NFP, PPI, PMI, CPI lost, GDP 1, retail sales 1, FOMC. So if you love to trade news, you have to come here. I don't know, maybe they know their own pile or something. Euro AUD very bullish. Okay, the market is approaching a significant area. The underlying horizontal cluster clearly indicates is a highly probable bullish movement with a target level. It sounds very beautiful, but you have to put it in a format that's easy for people who use this. People don't care about this, right? I can tell you now, people don't care about these things. People don't care about this. People just want to see buy, sell, and close. That's all. Euro USD will move much lower on there. So again, signals needs to be in a different format, right? So let's move. There's AUD CHF, which was a trading setup. Again, these setups are beautifully executed, but You know, does people follow these setups? Do they trade them because they are not put in the format of a signal? Took a lot, eh? No wonder my throat wants to leave me. Okay, here's a Nasdaq signal. There you can see, sent on the 22nd of January, 22nd of January, just after 9. Just somewhere there, right? And then we have this nice move down, some drawdown, and then a dump to the downside. But again, no stop loss, nothing. There. Next up, we've got a buy on gold, which was sent on the 22nd there as well. 22nd, 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 22nd. Here we go. Okay, beautiful buy on gold. You can see there TP1 hit, TP2 hit, and TP3 hit. So well done on that one. There we go. NAS 100, SL below entry, which was the one we spoke about before this. So beautiful trade there on gold, deep in the blues. This was a buy on GU, right? Now, this update was sent on the 22nd of January. The signal was sent on the 16th. This is why I say no stop loss. This signal was sent on the 16th, 16th. Yeah. Now, I want you to see something. Yeah. I'm not sure how they expected someone to hold this trade until there. Where do you think people must get money to hold these trades within such a deep drawdown? That's why you have to use stop loss. Then was an update on the gold buy with drowning TP blues. There's a lot going on. A lot. These were all updates on the setups, right? Sell on the Dow Jones, which I believe was a fundamental signal as well, deep in the blues. Then there was a buy on USD JPY. One thing I do like, right, about certain signal groups that I do review is that it's just straightforward. You see, straightforward. You know, you get a signal, that's it. Maybe here there people will talk a lot, but it's good to just send the signals. Buy USD JPY January the 22nd, just after 5. Okay, just after 4, sorry. There we go, beautiful trade. Again, like I said before, the stop loss was sent 147.600, which was sent right there. This was a beautiful trade, and I just don't think the stop loss had hit because the trade was executed somewhere there. So that was beautifully executed. We had TP1, TP2, and TP3 did hit on there as well. But it's all about understanding, you know, give more trades like this. This trade I'll give 100%. But the first ones, yeah, man. Okay, buy gold, that was an updated signal. Next up was a sell. Look at this. Sell Euro NZD. Okay, that stop loss hit. The prices were sent, so we don't have to go through that one. Then there was an update on running trades that was sent out. Swing trades are moving lovely. We have some blue screens in the blue screens. More blue screens. Then there was a nice trading plan, you know, some education, which is good. It's good. There's you know, especially for new people, you know, speaking about forex trading. So that was good. Some information there. Then there was a sell on the German 30. Again, no stop loss. TP SL. Where are we now? This was sent on the 24th. Why is this internet doing this? Let me just rephrase this because I really don't understand this, right? So I pay, but I've got 100 megabits per second line, and I get the worst internet connection that anybody could potentially have asked for. Really, I don't know. Like, I don't understand, and it's frustrating for me because I pay. As soon as I pay and I don't get what I pay for, yo, kan ek jars raak. Really, it works on me, man, because these people will take your money at the time that you are supposed to pay, regardless of the service that they provide to you. Okay, let's sell German 30 quickly before this thing decides to. Okay, so it goes probably be somewhere here. No, here. Okay, so this trade was And that, that didn't go as anticipated. At 9, there at 9, small profit, and then gone. No stop loss. To the moon, close deep in profit. Sugar man. And then he just tell people to sell more. Okay. But there was some good trades, so this will kind of just, hopefully make up for those ones. And then there was some fundamental signals. You see, by all of this, we back, baby. There we go, drowning deep in blues, blue screens. Golden circle, PMI signal. They trade every news event that you can think about, right? So if you want to go, if you like news trading, here we go. Blue Star FX send results. Okay, next signal on 24th was a buy on gold, which we are gonna take a look at. Buy on gold, buy on gold, buy on gold, buy on gold on the 24th, which was here we go. Okay, so we had what we got here. We got TP1, we got TP2, and TP3, which I'm not sure. But this was a beautifully executed trade. Here, the market stopped him out there. You got a stop loss at 2010. That was there. So I don't know, like manipulation. But okay, they got away with TP1, right, and close to TP2. So that's good. Let's move on. TP1 hit. Then there was some more setups. I will not count that setups. I can do another review if they want me to, with actual prices of a signal, because that's what we pay for, man. We pay for prices, to see prices, Captain Price. Here we go. GDP signal, buy USD JPY, buy the Nasdaq. What else do we got here? There's a buy on Euro AUD on the 25th. Here we go. Euro AUD. Oh, it's not. Is it this one? Oh, sorry. Euro USD. Oh no. Let me just make sure, because I don't want to. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. Euro USD TP5. Yo, my bro. 25th at 6 o'clock over here. We can see here 25th at 6 o'clock, right over there. Beautifully executed. 1, 2, 3. TP4 hit. So that was a 3.68%. That was a good trade. Again, there was no stop loss, but you can see there wasn't a lot of drawdown, so which was good. Apart from those other ones who drawdown go there. So this was good, right? Next up, we have got an update on gold. Again, that first gold trade. There's Euro USD, beautifully executed. Yes, 28 signals were sent, 2 major events, one stop loss hit, which according to them is a 23 rand. But you have to make it like this. You see how difficult it is to calculate, because look at that GU trade, right? That GU trade was running in a drawdown for at least 2 weeks before it got into profit. Okay, profit bullshit. Fundamentally are very tricky. Shishin. Fundamental signals, again, fundamentals. Then there was some more trading strategies and the differences on them. Buy limit, sell limit, what that means. So good to provide some educational. There was a setup sent. Again, we're looking for signals. This was based off a setup. It says it was triggered, but they will always say that they will send a signal. So take into account trading levels, the market structure, that this is not a signal. And you can argue with me, it's a setup until there's prices that people can actually take to copy and paste in there, right? That was that one. Also another setup, GJ triggered. So you can see that the triggers were very well executed. This was EuroCat buy euro cat. Did I add that one? Let's see quickly. Buy euro cat. I don't think I did. This was sent on the 29th of January. Let me just remove this. 29th of January. Oh no. Yeah, this should have not been a good trade. Buy Eurocat. This was at 0925. 0925. 29th, sorry. Yeah, 0925. There we go. Do you see? I think that was a Euro GBP trade. There. I think that was a Euro GBP trade, you know. These prices, this is 1.8247. Where is 1.8 there? 1.8 there. That's somewhere here. We're drowning deep in profits. Okay, sell on gold with no stop loss once again. Send on the 29th at 10:29. This one here. There we go. Also very well executed at 10. Okay, let me just say yes. January the 29th at 10. Oh, yeah, was one. Okay, there we go. TP1, TP2, TP3. Again, no stop loss, no stop losses, right? But we had TP1 was, I would assume was hit because it looks like it's just there. Okay, oh, these are them. I think this one is not supposed to be not so, but that was beautifully executed. TP4 was at 2019. Let's see if TP4 actually gone and hit. No, I think it was, yeah, these are TP1, TP2 and TP3. Again, there's just no stop loss, right? But so far, again, I would say that they do trade a lot better compared to these other guys. But again, stop losses is very important, right? You have to include a stop loss when you trade. Sorry, my ears are. Ooh. You have to include a stop loss when you trade because why? You have to protect other people's capital that is paying for you. So here we got some trades running into profit. GZ will fall, sell. You see that was a signal that would have turned out very good. Then on the 29th again at 4:20. Here was another beautiful gold signal that was sent, but again, no stop loss. I don't know why people are scared to put in a stop loss, really. But we'll see. Let's continue. Close when target is reached. Sell German 30. There's a stop loss. We're going to go check that out very quickly. Stop loss on January the 30th. January the 30th. January the 30th. There we go. 7:15. 7:15, and that was a sell. Stop loss 17.027. Unfortunately, this would have been a very good trade. There, stop it, and then the dump. But this move would have probably been enough profits for them to close. Then there was a sell on gold. And I'm going a little bit fast through this, but I still want to just show you guys what happened in February. We're not going to plot it, but you can see it's only been 15 days and this video is already going. because TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, TP1 million is in the house. January the 30th, 0943. January the 30th, 04943. January the 30th. There we go. Okay, another good trade. There you can see, right, where that moved down, but unfortunately we had a massive spike to the upside. Again, no stop loss hit, no stop loss in place, and they're enjoying the fruits of their labors. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Then there was a buy on GU, which was on the 30th of January, which we are gonna quickly take a look at. Okay, I didn't plot it here. Okay, January the 30th, just before 2. January the 30th. Sorry, just before 3, or just before 2, 2022. There we go. Okay, so here again, no stop loss, right? So we had some drawdown, firstly, right? And then move to the upside. Again, this is a lot of drawdown. Any case, SL hit on GU. Huh? Any case, let's continue. For those who managed to hold, no, don't do that, me bro. Don't do that. Now you're probably gonna count this as a win also. But this drawdown is you say stop loss, but there's no stop loss. Okay, golden circle, you went from 217 to, that's 3 times profit. Yes. Okay, some testimonials. There 10 signals sent, 1 stop loss hit. See there? That is misleading of information. It's very easy to say 1 stop loss had hit. How do you define what a stop loss has hit is when there's no stop loss? Then there was a buy on gold on the 31st. Buy on gold. Yeah. A beautiful trade. There you can see 31st at 1. 31st at 1:30. There we go. Somewhere there. That trade went perfectly. TP1, TP2, TP3, and there was a stop loss that had hit, right? And I would believe that concluded January. As you guys can see, I only need 15 days of January, but there's a lot going on. You know, a lot of updates, a lot of stuff happening in between. And then if you just skim through February, we can kind of see what had taken place. So if you do, the signals are $500. I will leave a link in the comments in the description box below if you do want to check them out, because a lot of people always ask where can you get the link for their signals. I'll put a link to their free signal group in the description box below. And yeah, we are about gold, triple bottom, okay, and there we go, playing near stop loss. It's a new candle. There was a sell on GJ, buy gold, the arrow is there, TP1 hit in small blues, please lock in profits, USD JPY. So there's can you see just in a single day, right? So February started here, right? February, yeah, okay, that was sent in February. Now I'm gonna show you how much information was sent in one day. There, you see, that is why I say it's a lot of information to go through. I just want to see signals, that's it. I don't want, oh, that's what people want to see, right? There's some more cons and risk. If you guys are interested, yeah, their prices, like I said, I will leave the link so you can go and check them out. in the comment section below, and you can scroll through all of this information that you see right here in front of you. Like I said, there is a lot here. We've got FNB, everything is hidden. Okay, internet, don't forget to pay yourself. Have a lovely weekend. Salon GJ, someday blues. Blue screens, blue screens, blue screens, blue screens. So Rocket X, okay. So let me conclude this review for you guys, right? These guys are better than a lot of the people that I've done. Now, things that they can improve on is make sure you put a stop loss, because that results are very misleading. Because why, you cannot say you had one stop loss hit when you've had trades that was running in drawdown that was worth a stop loss being hit as well. Overall, good work, much better than the guys that we know out there. But that's it. Add stop losses. You will probably add stop losses and reduce the amount of TP1, TP2, TP3. Just do the TP1 and TP2 maybe, right? Do it at 1.5% and then 3%. Klar. Thank you for your time. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, guys. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for years.